Want to visualize your notes instead of reading through them? In this video, I'll show you how to create a mind map in Gemini Notebook, formerly NotebookLM. This time, we're not adding another source. Instead, we're turning everything already inside the notebook into a visual layout that makes the information easier to scan and understand. Rather than working through long passages one by one, Gemini Notebook can organize the material into a map that highlights the main ideas and how they relate to each other. Simply click Mind Map and Gemini Notebook will analyze all of your sources and generate a visual overview of the information in your notebook. Depending on the amount of content you've added, this may take a few moments. Once it's finished, you'll see your topic in the center with related ideas branching out from it. In my example, the mind map includes Sherlock Holmes, Dr. Watson, Professor Moriarty, Arthur Conan Doyle, the novels, and the short story collections. This makes it much easier to understand how the different topics connect to one another. You can zoom in and out to explore the map more comfortably, and you can click on different branches to expand them and reveal more detailed topics. This is especially helpful when you're working with large notebooks that contain lots of information. Mind maps are great for studying, brainstorming ideas, planning projects, or simply getting a quick overview of a topic without reading through every source individually. They're also useful for spotting relationships between people, concepts, and events that might not be obvious at first glance. As your notebook grows with more books, websites, PDFs, and videos, your mind map becomes even more detailed, giving you a visual way to explore all of your information in one place. I hope this tutorial helped you see how useful mind maps can be in Gemini Notebook, especially when you want to turn a large collection of sources into something much easier to understand at a glance. If you found this video helpful, feel free to check out the other Gemini Notebook tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.